Your time is limited, so don't waste it living someone else's life. Stay hungry, stay foolish. Innovation distinguishes between a leader and a follower. Remembering that you are going to die is the best way I know to avoid the trap of thinking you have something to lose. The people who are crazy enough to think they can change the world are the ones who do. Sometimes life hits you in the head with a brick. Don't lose faith. Have the courage to follow your heart and intuition. They somehow already know what you truly want to become. Being the richest man in the cemetery doesn't matter to me. Going to bed at night saying we've done something wonderful, that's what matters to me. Design is not just what it looks like and feels like. Design is how it works. I want to put a ding in the universe. Quality is more important than quantity. One home run is much better than 2 doubles. Don't let the noise of others' opinions drown out your own inner voice. Things don't have to change the world to be important. Creativity is just connecting things. I'm convinced that about half of what separates the successful entrepreneurs from the non-successful ones is pure perseverance. Simple can be harder than complex. You have to work hard to get your thinking clean to make it simple. If you really look closely, most overnight successes took a long time. Great things in business are never done by one person. They're done by a team of people. Be a yardstick of quality. Some people aren't used to an environment where excellence is expected. Deciding what not to do is as important as deciding what to do.